what is the order of Instagram story views based on? The first thing, when you get into your profile section on your feed screen right here on your Instagram, and you open up a story site selection, and then you're asking yourself what is in the order of Instagram story views based on, and the first site selection which needs to be get is as an answer, it is that all that stuff and all that social media selections are available by story site by getting more celebrity sessions. What I'm talking about, it is getting to know that, for example, if you have more followers than someone, and also if your profile, of course, it is not a public section, or simply it's not, a public session, it is a public profile, because if you have just a profile which says that it's public, but in case it is a private profile, that will take you to not get many views on your story. But if you have it, as I said, this will take you to a long range. For example, if you're Cristiano Ronaldo and you know that every single day he has so many friends, so many sites, so many companies, so many Instagram profiles that are going to his profile and getting his popularity on, and it's going on a high level. And when you get your profile on a high level by gaining engagement on your profile, that will take you to get a leadership for getting views for your Instagram story, for example.